Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm the digital specialist here at Antidote 71, and today I'm going to walk you through a schema markup, what it is, and how you would want to use it. A schema markup is a form of structured data that helps search engines better understand the content on your web pages. How do schema markups work? Schema markups uses tags embedded in the HTML to define information in a way that search engines can interpret more accurately. Here's an example on our site. Next, we're going to go over some key benefits that schema markups has. Schema markup allows you to transform standard search results into a rich snippet, which can lead to a higher click-through rate. Rich snippets are important to SEO because they display additional information directly in search engine results pages, helping the website stand out. With schema markup, search engines can understand specific details about your content, such as names, dates, and locations, which help categorize it correctly. As voice searches become more common, schema markup can help ensure your content is easily accessible for the queries, as search engines rely on structured data to provide answers. There's a lot of different schema markups based on what your website provides for content, so let's go over those. Article schema is designed for news, blog posts, and articles. Event schema is common for websites advertising concerts, workshops, or other events. Product schema is essential for e-commerce. The schema includes information such as pricing, availability, and user rankings. Recipe schema is tailored to food blogs and recipe websites, helping display cook time, calorie count, and ingredients in search results. Review schema is useful for products, services, or businesses. By adding review markup, it enables star ratings appearing on search engine results pages. FAQ and how-to schema. FAQ schema can create expandable, rich snippets for common questions and answers, ideal for knowledge bases or product pages. Location schema provides search engines with information about physical or virtual place associated with your content. There's schema code for either one location or multiple. Next, we're going to go over how to implement a schema markup. There's 3 main ways to add a schema markup to a website. Microdata is an HTML-based approach where you tag each content type directly within an HTML element. JSON LD, known as JavaScript Object Notation for linked data, is preferred by Google and most SEO experts because it's easy to implement and keep structured data separate from the HTML. This is added through the page's head or script tags within the body. The last one we're going to go over is RDFA, Resource Description Framework and Attributes. This extends HTML5 and is used mainly for data sharing. Like microdata, it involves tagging data directly within HTML elements but is less common. After implementing a schema markup, it's important to test it. You can do this through Google's Rich Results Test or Schema Markup Validator. It's also important to verify structured data in Google Search Console to make sure there are no errors. How do you find schema code or create it? So you can go on Google, there's a lot of templates on there on how to create code based on what structure you want. Otherwise, ChatGPT is great for spitting out specific codes for you. It gives you great examples and provides a lot of information with it as well. Schema markups help rich snippets significantly improve the appearance and value of a search result by adding interactive and detailed features. While schema markup does not directly impact rankings, it influences user behavior and engagement metrics that can benefit SEO. Rich snippets have been shown to increase CTR, reduce bounce rates, and lead to better user engagement. Here are some best practice tips you should always keep in mind. Always test structured data after implementation. Use the most specific schema types for accuracy, and make sure to frequently update schema data to reflect the latest information on your website. If you have any questions about using schema markups, let us know in the comments. If you liked this video and learned something from it, be sure to like, subscribe, and visit our website to access more free resources and SEO tips. See you next time.